Alright boys, what is good? So I've just entered this trade. This is on GBP CAD. I said I've just entered it was about 30 minutes ago. Entry may look weird, I'll explain everything, but we could have an insane trade running right here. So first, what we're looking at, we've got a pretty nice zone here. Of course, we have our level of liquidity just below this right here, 2 candle liquidity. There's also a demand zone right there to fake people out. If you couldn't see it, then it is right here. This will fake out a lot of traders that had their stop losses there, created more liquidity. But it then came down to our zone, marked up by an accuracy zone. Marked up slightly wrong. Yeah, just like that. Not that it would have mattered if it was marked up by a full thing, I don't think. Yeah, wouldn't have made a difference for this trade. However, still marked up correctly. And then we tapped it, gave the rejection. Now, this is where it got a bit funky. Basically, we took our first entry on this bullish close right here. You can't really see it behind this. We took our first entry on this bullish close. Then we got stopped out by literally about 0.1 pips because we give it 1 pip room. And then we saw the rejection it was given, entered again around here. And this is our current entry. As you can see, this is my trading platform. I'm not lying, this is where the entry's at. And as always, this was sent to the Discord, looking at GBP CAD bottom zone. As I said, most of us got stopped out on that first entry, so we took the re-entry right here. This was at 10:09, which is when it happened. And we are now looking to take this full 1 to 10. His entry was a little bit better than mine, but shouldn't matter too much. We still have a 1 to 10 on the table right here. So yeah, this would be pretty insane if this hits. And it's looking pretty good so far. Rejections are insane. As you can see, we had quite a lot of liquidity as well. Right here. This also might have been valid to the zone, I'm not actually sure. This liquidity was also valid to the zone, so that just makes the zone even better. And of course, consistently breaking highs. And if we go on to a higher time frame like the 4 hour, let me move this box, we are clearly very bullish. This is a very bullish market. I think anybody can see that. You don't need to be an expert to understand that. And we've come down to the bottom zone of this area. Even got this 4 hour demand with the liquidity that we're rejecting from. So that'd be nice too if we continue reacting from that. And shit, yeah. We're going to the weekly. We've still got highs to potentially break over here. So I'd not be surprised if we do that soon. But yeah, it's looking pretty good, man. This would be a very insane trade if this does manage to hit TP. But yeah, comment any questions you may have about it, and subscribe and like, and I'll see you in, well, for you it'll be about 3 seconds. So yeah, see you. Bye. Goddamn, bro, it's been like an hour. And this is just running beautifully. I don't know what to tell you. There's literally not much else I could say. It's just going really nice so far. Of course, I expect some kind of pullback. We'll probably get a little movement like this, come back up if we do hit TP. Or what could happen is this is just a small retracement to actually start a downtrend out of nowhere. That would be really unfortunate because we are just in an uptrend. So if we just randomly start a downtrend, then that would be really unlucky. But you feel me? Anything could happen. We are already at a over 1 to 5. We've hit the 1 to 6 basically. Like shit. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't really know what else I have to say. I just thought I'd pop in here, show you how insanely this is going, because I mean, just look at this. If this isn't just the most textbook shit you've ever seen, then I don't know what is. There's a very clean setup. I don't know if I even mentioned about the fact that this is the bottom zone. If you've watched some of my other videos, and you know, we fuck with the bottom zone. The bottom zone allows you to get some insane risk rewards. It's got a high win rate because that's where investors are looking to get in at the most, because it gives them the best price. Even broke this high before going up again. Yeah, that's about it, man. I'm gonna go, I don't know what I'm gonna go do. Maybe go hit some legs at the gym, also known as chest. Oh yeah, anyway, I'm waffling now. I'll see you in a second. Is it now hours later? Yes. Do I still not have a shirt on? Yes. What are you gonna do about it? Nothing. But this trade, beautiful. This shit is, I don't know what's going on with this candle, by the way. This is 3 minutes into the candle. I told you this was the tracement I was talking about. Predicted that bitch. Let's talk about that. I predicted that candle. I mean, I expected it to be like a couple, to be fair, but even better, we just had one. And then it pulled straight back up. If you were in this trade and you saw that and got scared and exited or something, I saw one person in the Discord say that. Kind of annoyed me, because why are you getting scared over one red candle? What is going on with this cat? Bro, we're not even 4 minutes in. What is happening? Yeah, I think one person closed, bro. Nah, you can't be doing that. Closing 50%, that's cool, because we could easily have TP1 at a 1 to 5 or something on this trade. That's completely fair. I think a lot of people did do that. That's cool. Can't be closing at a 1 to 5 unless there's like a good reason for it. When we got this absolutely just... Bro, this is beautiful. This is just a very clean trade at the end of the day. I don't have too much to say about it. once again. I feel like I just keep coming back just to tell you that I don't have much to say. Just look how clean of a setup this is. I feel like I don't have to say anything else. The liquidity, even more so with this level right here. Beautiful. The breaks of structure, breaking this high over here, like we clearly bullish. We had a very large drop down here. Like we needed to retrace soon. But this has come up very, very nicely. Not many altercations. Don't think that's the word I'm looking for. But yeah, literally not even many black candles to see. There's only this one. But yeah, 4 hours looking nice as well. But yeah, it's looking good. We're literally just 5 pips away from the full 1 to 10. Yeah, real quick, actually, back in the Discord, Artie has decided that he's going to take above a 1 to 10. This ain't happened, but the stop loss on this is so tight. You can literally easily get over a 1 to 10. For me, I don't need it. I'll explain later. Yeah, he's gone for the overall high, which he says looks kind of ridiculous. That's because that is ridiculous. He's gone for this high right here, I believe, which for me, that's a 1 to 16. For him, because he got an even better entry, that's probably like a 1 to 20. I'm good on that. Obviously, some profits will be taken before then, if you're taking full TP at here. You're not just gonna let this much profit run until then. But yeah, that'll be interesting to see if that fully hits as well. But of course, 1 to 10 is the normal maximum that we go for. That's just because the stop loss is like a few pips. So yeah, I'll see you in a second, man. Alright, and we are back again. And damn, perfect timing. It looks like it's so close. It's so close to hit. Okay, I was gonna wait for it to hit before I start speaking. But yeah, this has been one of the smoothest running trades I've had in a second, to be fair. Especially since this is just over a 1 to 10. That is crazy. And there we go. TP has been hit. Crazy. This was what, 6 hours? That sounds like a lot, doesn't it? But it's really not. And yeah, wow, that is a 1 to 10. And let me quickly bring something over. So as you can see at the top of the screen, we're at 105,001, and the profit target on this challenge is 105,000. So I think I just passed my 100k challenge. I think that's what's just happened, which is fucking crazy. It's not really what I expected when I woke up. However, I ain't gonna complain. Fuck, man. No, I don't know what to do. Yeah, I guess I've just passed my 100k challenge. And what better way to do it than with this fucking insane trade? 1 to 10. That is crazy. Shout out liquidity, supply and demand, man. This shit is a game changer. Shout out everyone in the Discord for show. Everybody's gone crazy in there. Everybody hitting this 1 to 10 basically, except for that one guy that closed as soon as he saw a red candle. No shout out to you. Okay, nah, but for real though, yeah, I don't really know what to do. Probably a good thing. Like I'm not like extremely happy or anything, which means I've managed to decently detach my emotions from all this shit, which is great news. But yeah, that's a crazy trade. Go follow me on Instagram, I guess. Subscribe, like the video, comment if you want. And now it's just time to go get a payout, I guess. I guess that's literally it. And I do hear people say that they can pass a challenge but can't get the payout. I've heard that before. I've heard getting a payout is harder than passing the challenge. I assume that's just a psychological thing. My psychology has been pretty decent, so hopefully that wouldn't be an issue. But I'm gonna play it safe. I'm gonna play it well. And honestly, man, just like as a whole, that is crazy. You know, I've been documenting my trading on this channel for a year now. That'll probably be my next. Should I make a video on that? I might make a video on that. And you watch me pass this whole challenge. Took a minute. It did take a minute, but we're here. Shout out the Discord, bro. Shout out Artie's Discord. Crazy day. But yeah, anyway, that's it, man. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.